Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will learn how to install Kafka on Windows 10 operating system. So, let's start the video. So, let's understand what is Kafka. Apache Kafka is an open source distributed event streaming platform used for high performance data pipeline, streaming analytics, and mission critical applications. So let's start the process to set up Kafka on our Windows operating system. These are the steps which I will be using for the setup. I will start with downloading the Kafka from their official website and unzip it. Then I will make the configuration changes in the zookeeper and server.property files. And then I will start zookeeper followed by Kafka server. Then we will create a Kafka topic, start a producer, followed by starting a consumer. Now, let's go to your favorite browser and search for Download Kafka. Click on the very first link, which is kafka.apache.org. So, this is official website of Kafka. At the time of recording the video, we have Kafka 3.5.1 as the latest version. So click on the icon over here and your download should start. Once the download is completed, go to Downloads folder, right click on the file you have just downloaded and extract to Kafka 2.13. If you go inside this folder, you will see a tar file. So right click, extract to Kafka 2.13. Now copy the Kafka folder and move it to some safe place. I usually do the setup under Big Data Local Setup, which is under D drive. Now I will rename Kafka 3.5.1 folder to Kafka. Now let's make the changes in the configuration file. So let's go inside Kafka folder and then inside config folder. Over here, we need to make changes in two files. So let's open server.properties file and search for log directory. I will set the log directory as D Big Data Local Setup. Save the file and go back to the config folder. Now open zookeeper.properties file and search for data dir. I will set the value as d / big data local setup / temp / zookeeper and save it. Now our configuration is completed. So let's start the zookeeper. Now I will go to Kafka directory and over here just type cmd. This will open command prompt for this location. I will rename this tab as zookeeper as we need to open 3 to 4 terminals. It will be easy to identify on which terminal we are working on. First, we need to start the zookeeper, and the command to start the zookeeper is /bin /windows /zookeeper server start.bat, and then I will provide the configuration file, that is /config /zookeeper.properties and hit enter. Okay, so my zookeeper is started. Now I will start the Kafka server. So to start the Kafka server, I need a new command prompt. Just type cmd over here and the command to start Kafka server is /bin /windows /Kafka server start.bat and the configuration file, that is /config /server properties. Okay, so my Kafka server is started. Now let's create a topic in Kafka. So start a new command prompt and I will rename this command prompt as producer. And the command for creation of a Kafka topic is /bin/windows/Kafka topic.bat create topic. I will set the topic name as my first topic, then the bootstrap server, which is localhost 9092. Okay, so my Kafka topic is created. Now let's put some message in the Kafka topic. For that, I need to start a producer. So I will write dot slash bin slash windows slash Kafka console producer dot bat and the topic name, which is my first topic, then the server, which is localhost 9092. Before producing any message, let me start the consume, which can consume the message produced by the producer. So let me start a new command prompt. I will rename this command prompt as consumer. And then I will write dot slash bin slash windows slash Kafka console consumer dot bat and the topic, which is my first topic. I want to read the message from beginning, so I will mention from beginning and the server, which is localhost 9092. Now let me arrange consumer and producer side by side so that I can show when I produce a message in the producer, it is read by consumer in real time. So if I write some message over here and hit enter, it should go to the consumer. So my first message be, this is my first message, and hit enter. As you can see, it appears to the consumer in real time. Now let's try to send some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is also consumed by the consumer in real time. So you can see Kafka is powerful enough to send message in real time. You can produce thousands of message in real time and consumer will be able to consume it. So we have reached to end of our today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thank you.